Hey, I'm Tracy Lutz, ambassador with Bootstrap Farmer. I run this entire market garden by myself. Yeah, just this guy. 5 years ago, I thought I needed to map out every single little thing. But guess what? Over time, I realized it's easier and honestly very less stressful just to build routines. Now, every week I look at the same thing over and over. I just work through my day and my checklists. So here is what that looks like. The first thing I do is I check on the farm. This includes taking care of my 35 hens and also the farm dog. Then I walk up to the farm and I open up all of my high tunnels for the day. I take a look at my irrigation. I make sure nothing has changed from the night before. Ask me how I know. And then I double check all my fertilizers for that day. Now, today, of course, is harvest day. So now I need to go through my orders and I need to double check and make sure I have all the supplies needed to fulfill my orders. Right now in the early spring, we do a lot of salad mixes, a lot of lettuce mixes, and of course, lots of green spinach. I've already harvested most of the spinach last week, so we'll just kind of bag that. Before anything goes in my wash station, I make sure I completely sanitize the interior area. Now that's gonna be different for everyone. I go way above and beyond, because just that's who I am. Once the lettuce is harvested, I use my bubbler to clean it off, as you can see. And then I put it in a spinner and then I leave it to dry for a minute. Once it's dry, I'll bag it and label it with my custom labels. I can box it up, I can deliver to the customer or wait for farm pickup. Some days I have new plants that I want to take off and harden. I like to start by having 1 to 2 hours on a cloudy day and progressively go from there. The longer you do this process, the healthier and greener transplants you will have. This is a very important step in creating strong, resilient transplants. So that's it. My daily spring routine as a one-person market farm. No whiteboards, no lists, just a steady rhythm that keeps me on track. Now, if you want to see how I prep all my tunnels, then click here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more growing tips.